Good afternoon. This is Jason Shepard from the Ink Room with a super quick video about the installation of our new Headlight Amber Corner Tint piece. It's meant to cover that piece. The reason it's still made out of tint is because we do not want to get rid of the functionality of the side marker light. There's the piece. It is oversized to go around. Installation, like I said, is very straightforward. Spray bottle with water. Spray the actual piece. Spray the backing. One thing the water really does, it gives us a little bit of maneuverability, a workaround. Find that nice center point. It's pretty much the gist of it. However, just to finalize it, we're going to take our squeegee, make sure there's no bubbles, air and or water trapped behind it. Take a microfiber towel, wipe down the surrounding area, and there we go. Have a great day.